Well, when you and your family come to Branson, you obviously need a place to stay. And for my money, there's no place better than the Silver Dollar City Campground. And I'm standing next to the supervisor of the campground, Nick Nelson. Hi, Nick.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thank you so much. So tell us a little bit about the campground in general and also what we're going to be looking at today.
All right, so the campground has a little bit for everybody. We've got anything from primitive tent sites for those people that really want to get in touch with their nature and that sort of thing. But then we also have everything from RV sites, basic to full hookup, 30 amp, 50 amp, and then we have 38 cabins in total as well.
Now the cabins, that's definitely speaking my language because I like a place that's already built for me, and I understand these places, which we're going to see here in just a second. They really have everything.
They do. It's a great family destination. We have several different cabin types for families that are smaller with up to 4 people, and then we have our loft cabins, which will sleep up to 6 or 7 people.
Awesome. Well, let's go inside and take a look.
Absolutely.
Now, Nick, I know you have several types of cabins here on property. This here is a loft cabin, so tell our viewers at home what all they can expect to find here.
So with the loft cabin, we've got sleeping arrangements for up to 7 people. There's a queen bed downstairs, 2 fulls and a twin up in the loft there. It's got a kitchenette with a full-size refrigerator and a cooktop. And all of our cabins do have indoor plumbing, so we do have bathrooms for every mom out there that doesn't want to use the outhouse.
Yeah, and again, it's right up my alley because it feels like but you can see it behind us. It feels outdoorsy, but yet it has all the amenities that people like on vacation.
Yes, I mean it's very traditional. Like it has that traditional cabin feel, which a lot of people like, but it does have all the amenities you would come to expect.
Fantastic. Well, let's go back outside one more time and look at a few more things.
Sounds good.
Nick, I personally have been coming to Silver Dollar City for almost 30 years now. And I've never stayed here on the campground, but that's going to change soon. But tell our viewers at home why it pays off to stay here at the SDC campground.
So not only is it a beautiful property that is full of nature and that sort of thing, but we also have a free shuttle to Silver Dollar City that is complimentary to guests of the property here. We also have tickets for sale and a general store for those items that you left at home on the counter when you walked out the door.
And I understand you're pretty booked up for the next couple months, so if somebody wants to stay here, they need to book now, correct?
Absolutely. The best advice I can give you is plan ahead because we are booking fast.
Awesome. Nick, thank you so much, and make sure you check out the campground next time you're in Branson.
When wind and hail break